Once upon a time, in a land far beyond the silver mountains and whispering forests, there lay a hidden kingdom called Liora. It was a magical place, where the rivers shimmered like glass, and flowers glowed softly in the dark. The people of Liora lived peacefully, guided by the gentle light of the moon, which they believed held ancient magic. At the heart of the kingdom stood a grand palace made of crystal, where Princess Elara lived. She was kind and curious, with eyes that sparkled like the night sky. But unlike others, Elara longed to explore the world beyond the palace walls. One evening, as the full moon rose higher than ever before, Elara noticed something strange, a faint shadow drifting across the glowing gardens. Following it, she discovered a hidden door beneath an old willow tree. Gathering her courage, she stepped through. On the other side, she found herself in a forgotten part of Liora, where the light of the moon barely reached. There, she met a lonely creature named Nyx, a guardian of shadows who had been cursed long ago. Without moonlight, he was fading away. Elara listened to Nyx's story and realized that the magic of the kingdom was unbalanced. The moon gave light, but the shadows had been neglected and forgotten. Determined to restore harmony, she returned to the palace and sought the ancient moonstone, a gem said to control the kingdom's magic. With bravery in her heart, Elara climbed the tallest tower and held the moonstone toward the sky. She wished not just for light, but for balance where both light and shadow could exist together. The moonstone glowed brighter than ever before, sending waves of silver and violet across the kingdom. The dark corners of Liora were filled with gentle twilight, and Nyx regained his strength, no longer a creature of fear but a guardian of balance. From that day on, Princess Elara became known as the Keeper of Harmony. The people of Liora learned that even shadows have their place, and true magic lies in balance, not perfection. And under every full moon, if you listen closely, you might still hear whispers of Liora, a kingdom where light and shadow dance together forever.
Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, like and share my video.